Ma'am, ako po pala si number 001, Fatima Sicudillo. Ito po ang aking permit. Ma'am, pwede ko na po bang ayusin ang massage table?
Okay, go inside.
Table, pwede ko na po bang papasukin ng aking client?
Okay, go ahead.
Hi, magandang araw po. Ako nga po pala si Fatima, ang inyong massage therapy ngayon. Welcome po sa aming spa. Ma'am, pwede ko po bang malaman ang inyong personal information at kung pwede rin po kayong kuhanan ng mga vital signs nyo?
Pwede po.
Po. Ma'am, pakisagot na lang po yan. Ma'am, may mga karamdaman po ba kayo o kung ba't po kayo pumunta ngayon ng spa? Kung mayroon po kayong...
Para mag-relax.
Sige po, ma'am. Okay na po. There are five basic massage strokes. Ito ay ang mga infrarouge, petrissage, frictions, taputments, and vibrations. First, infrarouge. It came from the French word effure, which means strokes. Other term is unbroken gliding movement repeated following the contour of the body using palm, knuckled, and fingertips. Variations, one-handed. There are three sub-variations in one-handed. Breaking, ironing, and circular. Breakings, using two fingertips or five fingertips together or apart with pressures. Breakings, deep using palm, forearms, or fist. Circular. Circular. Palm gliding in the skin on the circular motions. Two handles. Both hands gliding on the skin instantaneously. Subvariation. Heart shape. Long deep strokes done by moving both hands in heart-shaped motions. Circular. One hand over or beside the others in circular motions. Variation. Alternate hands. Subvariations. Raking. Same as one-handed but using both hands alternately. Circular. Alternate hands movements. Nerve strokes. Feather-light finger tracing. Petrissage. Other term is kneading, a rhythmic lifting, squeezing, and releasing of tissues. Vibrations, one-handed, simply glam squeeze. Variations, two-handed. There are five variations in two-handed. Praying hands, ocean waves, alternate hands, pulling, and skin rolling. Praying. Praying. Finger alternate palm squeezing upward. Ocean waves. Gliding hands in opposite directions with compressions. Alternate hands. Drops and release alternately. Pulling. Palm on thumb pressure separate in moving forward. Skin rolling. Lifting skin in superficial fascia with no downward force needed. Frictions. Other term is rubbing. Compromising of tissues in several directions, sliding hands, palms, fingers, knuckle back and forth over the skin, deeper tissue layer usually dry or without oil. Vibration, superficial warming. Heat rub palms, moving briskly in opposite directions. Ruling, hold lime with hands back and forth from distal to proximal. Ringing, grasp firmly while twisting in opposite directions. Cross fiber, deep transperfection frictions perpendicular to muzzle with moderate to heavy pressures. Chucking, same directions as the muscle tendons or ligaments, fiber thumbs or fingers move back and forth. Circular, small circular movements that glide superficial tissue over the underlying tissues, finger or palm. Other strokes, taputments. Other term is percussion repetitive standard sitting movements of the hands instantaneously alternate using ulnar surface of the hands, fingertips, palms, or closely fist. Variations, tapping, using fingertips or one or both hands in various speed. Subvariation, punctuations, hard tapping. Pulsing, alternate deep light. Raindrops, very light fingertips on the skin at different times. Pincement, plucking larger among the skin is lifted by grasping quickly at the point of striking. Hacking, chop using ulnar edge of one or both hands with fingers, relax or strike with last three fingertips. Quacking, both hands. Cupping, cup hands. Loosen phlegm in chest cavity may induce coughing. Pounding, loose fist beating moderately when applied palm down. Clapping, palm striking skin with alternate strokes. Diffuse, it's a palmar surface skin while striking back of the hands in diffuse force move across the floors. Ma'am, can I demo it in myself?
Okay.
Another strokes, vibrations. Other term is shakings. There rapid shakings, dribbling, rocking movements with fingertips or full hands. Variation, fine. Fingertips strangling skin with region along. Judging, rhythmic and vigorous shakings backs and forth. course. Graph of proximal and down distally. Rocking, push and catch motions. Ma'am, tapos na po ang massage. Huwag po muna kayo tatayo. Babalikan ko po kayo sa dali. Okay po. Ma'am, tapos na po ang massage. Huwag po muna kayo tatayo. Ma'am, babalikan ko po kayo sa dali. Okay po. Ma'am, tapos na po. Pwede na po kayo tumayo. Ay, mag...
You can proceed to post massage.
Kumusta po kayo?
Okay naman.
Ma'am, para po ma-validate po ang inyong nararamdaman bago po ang massage, gaano po ang inyong nararamdaman? 0 po pag wala po at 10 po pag may masakit po sa inyo.
5.
Sige po. Pagkatapos naman po ng massage, ma'am, kumusta po kayo? Ano pong nararamdaman? 0 po pag wala na po at 10 po pag medyo masakit pa po.
1.
Okay po, ma'am. Para po mas gumanda ang inyong nararamdaman, kayo po ay kinakailangan magkaroon ng sessions every month. 2 times a month po at 1 hours every sessions po. Ma'am, kayo rin po ay kumain ng masusustansyang pagkain, matulog po ng sapat na oras, mag-ehersisyo at uminom po ng tamang tubig upang kayo po ay mas lumakas o gumanda ang pangangatawan. Ma'am, wala na po ba kayong concern? Salamat po sa inyong pagbisita sa aming spa. Maaari ko na po ba kayong samahan sa paglabas?
Opo.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay po.